So here's the thing about CES this year. Everyone suddenly has a world's first RGB TV. And Samsung is looking to plant its flag with size. Behind me is the world's first 130-inch Micro RGB TV. A couple of months back on the channel, I showed you guys the 115-inch Samsung Micro RGB TV. Now this one is not only bigger, it has a couple of new specs in store. So this is Tom's Guide to CES 2026. Let's get into the video. For quick context, Micro RGB means the TV uses separate red, green, and blue LEDs instead of white LEDs with filters. This gives you more precise color control, higher saturation, and better color accuracy at extreme brightness levels. Samsung is calling this Precision Color 100 and claims it can cover 100% of the BT 2020 color space, which is basically the holy grail for next-gen displays with HDR content, although well, we'll have to talk more about those claims in another video, but basically, I'd put a little asterisk next to them. Again, this is really about size. At 130 inches, this isn't just a TV, it's a wall. Samsung leans into that with the gallery-style frame that's designed to look more like a massive window than a screen. The idea is technology as art, and honestly, it's kind of working for me here. Although, you could also just wall mount it like you normally would a big TV, just like this over here. This thing is powered by Samsung's Micro RGB AI Engine Pro with AI color boosting, enhanced HDR, and glare-free tech to keep reflections down in bright rooms, just like this one. And that last part really matters because at 130 inches, any reflection becomes a problem fast. But I gotta be real with you guys, this is an ultra premium, ultra large, and very much a statement TV. Most people are never going to be buying this, but that's not really the point. At CES, TVs like this one exist to show where display tech is heading, and right now that direction is RGB backlighting, bigger screens, and TVs designed to be part of the room, not just sit in it. You guys have heard me say it before, we still need time to be hands-on with these TVs in uncontrolled environments, not like one Samsung has set up on the show floor, but more real-world scenarios. And that about does it for what I can share about Samsung's 130-inch Micro RGB TV here from CES. I hope you guys are enjoying Tom's Guide to CES 2026 so far. Let me know which of the TVs, which of the Micro or RGB TVs, I should say, stands out the most. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. I just like my brain fritz. I was like, hi.